Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Huawei Mate 70 Air has just launched, and today we're unboxing it right here. This time we've got all three color options in hand: feather white, gold silver brocade, and radiant black. Let's kick things off with the feather white version. This one comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. You can still spot the signature lens for vertical zoom shots. And that wraps up our unboxing and first look at the Huawei Mate 70 Air. From its stunning display and ultra-slim body to its impressive battery and camera system. If you're curious about how it performs in real-world use, stay tuned. Our detailed review video is coming up soon. Thanks for watching.